Note that in addition, I told you this is the picture, and because this is not the final result and it has affected some effects and filters, so you cannot directly put it inside of shapes unless save as. But there is another feature or option to do that. If I go to insert and as an example create a shape like circle, I could actually right click on my picture here and choose copy, select my shape, and inside of fill, note that if I choose the picture or texture fill, now because I copied we have the picture source. We could insert from any file or use clipboard. And there it is, now we have the result there. Of course you could right click and choose crop and pick any shape, but it is working fine. Allow me to resize my shape. As you see, it is stretching. And there is no feature here to find the fill type as something else like fitting. To adjust that, I'm going picture format. On the crop section, now we have fill and fit. I choose fill and start resizing, maybe something like that. Alright, even I could stretch it. Okay, click anywhere else. This is your final result. If I start rotating, my picture and my frame, or as I could call the shape, it is rotating together. If you want to don't happen something like that, if I'm going back to the fill, there is an option here named rotate with shape. If I disable that, now only the frame will rotate. But something wrong here, sadly it is buggy, and in many cases if your aspect ratio it is not 1:1, it will do something like that. But don't worry, after doing your final adjustment, click on the crop again and choose anything you want like fill. You could readjust it and set the position.